What if I told you September is the one month that decides whether your Zone 10 garden explodes with life or fades away before fall even begins? Most people think gardening slows down after summer, but the truth is, September is the hidden jackpot month for planting. And here's the twist. If you miss this window, you'll miss out on the easiest season to grow both vegetables and flowers. So let me ask you, are you ready to turn your fall garden into something neighbors can't stop talking about? Stay with me, because the secret ingredients are coming. Now, let's talk about why September is so powerful in Zone 10. Unlike colder regions, Zone 10 enjoys a longer growing season. That means you don't have to say goodbye to fresh vegetables or bright blooms when summer ends. Instead, September gives you a head start, cooler nights, milder days, and just the right soil temperature to grow like crazy. Most beginners don't realize that this is when you set the stage for endless fall color. And here's the kicker. The choices you make this month can give you fresh harvests well into winter. So if you've ever thought gardening stops in September, think again. Let's dive into vegetables first, because nothing beats the taste of homegrown food. In Zone 10, September is perfect for leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale. They love the slightly cooler weather. Root crops like carrots, radishes, and beets thrive now too. And if you want something a little hardier, broccoli and cauliflower are your best bets. But here's the big question. What's the one thing new gardeners often forget when planting fall vegetables? Most beginners think it's all about seeds, but no. The real secret is soil prep. Without nutrient-rich soil, your veggies struggle before they even sprout. That's why adding compost right now can make the difference between a weak harvest and a basket overflowing with greens. Imagine harvesting crunchy lettuce in December while everyone else is stuck buying store-bought greens. Wouldn't that feel amazing? Now let's switch gears to flowers, because vegetables feed your body, but flowers feed your soul. September in Zone 10 is prime time for planting marigolds, which keep blooming in bright oranges and yellows. Pansies and violas bring in that cheerful splash of color even when the weather cools down. Snapdragons stand tall with vibrant shades, and chrysanthemums, better known as mums, are basically the kings of fall color. And here's where it gets exciting. If you mix flowers with your vegetable beds, you not only get endless fall color, but you also attract pollinators that boost your veggie harvest. It's like hitting two birds with one stone: beauty and productivity in the same space. That's the real magic of fall flowers in Zone 10. But wait, there's still one mistake that beginners keep making, and it's costing them weeks of growth. What is it? They plant at the wrong time of day. Think about it. You put a fragile seedling into blazing afternoon sun, and it's like sending a kid into a marathon without breakfast. The secret is simple: plant in the early morning or late afternoon. This way, your vegetables and flowers settle into cool soil, and the roots grab hold before the heat kicks in. It's a small timing shift that changes everything. So now you know, September is the golden month for Zone 10 September planting. Fresh fall vegetables, endless flowers, and a chance to transform your garden into something unforgettable. Don't wait for next year. Start today with at least one vegetable and one flower, and watch how quickly your garden rewards you. If this gave you new ideas, let me know in the comments what you're planting this September. And of course, hit like and subscribe for more gardening secrets that keep your garden alive all year long.